Alright, in this video we're going to discuss how to count the number of occurrences of an item in a Python list. So if you're only looking for one or two things, use count. It's a built-in function for any list. So here we're going to create a list of random integers between 1 and 100 for 1,000. And in there we want to find how many times the number 25 came up. And it was 11 times. So no big deal, super easy. But if you're going to be accessing a lot of the elements and looking for the count, then you really want to use something from collections called counter. And you pass in the original list, and it comes up with a new format, which is a dictionary of each value and the count of that value within the original list. And so here, if you want to find out how many number 40s were there were 10. Now, what about the performance? Like I said, if you're only doing one or two items, then count's the way to go because you don't have the overhead of counter and reformatting it. But once you've ran that, right here we look at finding the count of the different numbers 1 to 100, and we're going to do 1,000 times, versus looking it up in the counter dictionary. And it's a factor of 300 times faster to use counter. So if you're doing a lot of heavy lookups, that's definitely the way to go. Hope you learned something here. Subscribe if you haven't. Smash that like button so I can build an audience and help more people, and I'll see you in the next video.